Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing one clear, high-value priority. This funnels your attention and reduces decision friction. Once chosen, set a 25-50-minute focused window and remove 3 big distractions: phone, notifications, extra tabs. Make sure your workspace has only what you need: water, a timer, single document. You'll start immediately. Don't rearrange everything. The why is simple. The brain locks onto a single goal faster when choices are limited, so you get traction in minutes. Once you're in the session, apply a steady rhythm. Work in 25-50-minute chunks and take brief 5-10-minute breaks to reset. During work, avoid multitasking. Permit only 5-7-minute micro-checks during breaks if necessary. Make sure to break the task into small concrete subtasks and mark 1 line per completed item so momentum is visible. The reason is that tracking creates immediate reward and short breaks prevent cognitive fatigue, keeping focus sustainable across multiple sessions. To finish, spend 2 minutes reviewing what you completed and identify the next single step. This closes the loop and primes the next session. If you struggled with focus, shorten the next session to 12-15 minutes and rebuild confidence with quick wins. Once done, gradually increase session length by 5-10 minutes per week until you reach your target. One key troubleshooting tip: if attention fragments, cut stimuli first, silence interruptions, then shorten sessions. Rebuilding focus is progressive, not instant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.